long no pakale pero hete the color kasunya the dosiko mano basana kiro pero pati o peia do pero lesiko kasunya ne yesuko mutale aweta ba thwela da owe khotaro ne pakro patu pata le pakale kasunya ne lo no no pe Israelite fight the Benjamin no Israeli aware duda yada do pakiten ma Benjamin no Bamnu Kule, no, them, all the Israelites from Dan to Basapa and from the land of Judith come out of one man and ensemble before the Lord in Mizpah. No, penny of Bethania Sikol, Tamata, the Pane. But Isla Puha Tokala, do ta upu ni upu rupu deep wadaga hotu, no, when they had Tokala upu rupu deep wadaga hotu, no. Le no le da pe le bi saba dokila apwa kopu su jwa o le misapa no le su jwa o le misapa no no pa ne petinya sikol the leader of no the leaders of all the people of the tribe of Israel took their place in the assembly of the people of God 400,000 swords armed with sword no penny pa over 400,000 no pa lui no lui ya penny do pa mu no akho khele pa isla no adu kodu de ne pa lo atala ywa pa wo mu ata opho kla pa kho no pa kho tu le abo tho na lui no penny lui klo lo no Penny no dot sunny protected mala pakle sunny the Benjamin hears that the Israelite has gone up to now Mizpah. Then the Israelites said, tell us how this unfold no thing happened no and the harmful and thinking happen no Penny no pakdama thing happen sidane make down a pakle kwa let me ni no do pabia mi pho na huwe no ala pa isla pho le tisu mispa no pa isla pho siwada tama ai mi dile ni siba teba parki no tama ai ni mi dile siba teba pa no pay do pakle kwa le no gi lui ni teba pwadi le no so the Levites, the 1,000 of them no pakte mala murder woman said I am my concubine come to Jibra and Benjamin to spend the night no pakte mala ya no pakte ma pay ni no you serve no you lu ni tebra la no palwi pho pomu no le aba tamati or awadaga katu setara siwada yelene le kibara no kiba bi ya mi apu yeda do yatima de tu yakami penny lo no tebra penny no during the night to spend during the night the man of Jibra came after meat and surrounding the house intending to kill me they repaid they robbed my concubine and she died pakete ma awen mo awen mata pita ma awen pakete ma la ta ma ta de ba phe ni tebra la no kiba apakanyo ge settle le yapoko do no o water healer apoko le muna do pa athala akamathia do so lo pakete ma la so lo ye tima do awera tiwe tiliwe li pakete ma awe tiwe mo awe so lo tima pani do pakti nya mo awe kamathira awe solo wala no pani awe mara no Penny I told my concubine cut her into pieces and sent one piece to each regions of Israel inheritance because they command this loose and disgraceful art in Israel pani pukita mala ta pita matir phamana Bagdad malana kune do yishine yatima do yadote or Bagdad ma yadote or taku ma ta sikhi ku Bagdad ma dinilo pain it tevra la tamata tepa no dot te or teku dot here you all call Israel atane ta do binya lo agide I mawela tamaka mamu no do pagite ma do tamaha gole Israel apulo disgrace dane mita la talaka pot uama no tamaha go no madume sata pagite tioden no dume sata no tamaha go when it utho wena no Leta no kuta pain ni no in minute teba palo minute mi le no now all you Israelites no speak out and give your no pagiten mala verdict no pani no pagiten mala atevada minute mi le do ta ha go le Israel apulo no kwa thume Israel apokele he thu ta kato do takulo diki he thu ta kato do takulo ma no when it pagiten mala ke ne thume pa Israel po ma no ke kwa ma mo pe ero tebe din mo no do pe do pagele kwa lo all the people rose as one man saying now none of us will go home no not one of us will return to his house no pagiten mala pe ni pagiten ma wetera pa mu kana ne gesete di padaga kho tu do siweda pataki gdaki su padepu no daga ba do patakha ka pasu Pahipu Norgaba, Patakiba, Patakaba, no, go open it all. No, let them go to pay but now this is wise will do to Jibras will go up again. It as the Lord's no the right, no, Pakitamala, Lord the right, no. Panito Pathinia Sicolata Mata Titapani, no, Tahutagelo Pata Kagane E, Terano, Kagane E, Pekama. Kiba le tai no pakapata le apokulo no pakapata le apoko no the sinidera no will take 10 men out of every no hundreds from all the tribe of Israel and hundreds from 1,000 and 1,000 for 10,000 to get no provision for the army. Then, when the army aroused the Jebras and Benjamin can give them why they deserve for all this valiant done in Israel. Pagkatapos Benjamin ni kabahilo wala mo ba mo awan mala pa Israel po atay takluway mo no. Do pero pa sukumo do Pwa takatu aklane pwa takaya do pwa la takaya aklane pwa takatu le Israel adu ko du de aklane ditu no akahe so ta o la pagamu ago le akamata du atula kiba bi yami de no kaye ta mahago le amawela Israel apu atone lo no phane akamawe din mo no no pain pagale kwa le sitter ni teba pwa le minute mi le no the sitter ni no pain is so no all the men of Israel got together and they unite no pagtema unites as one man against the city no pain pagtema thoda ba the wall plan mo no against the city no no Israel paganyo upurupu do thoda we ni no circle atadi pa daga kho atone lo with circle the deep water kho atone mo no no pet sikini the tribe of Israel sent men throughout the tribe of Benjamin saying what about this for crying this was coming among you no pagiter mala awani tevda din mo no paine pagiter ma tsiki ni tevda di le no pa Israel po adu tapha ni mala palesu biyami adu akla do dunya no do dunya ro siweda ta ile nama atala tikla ni me minute mi le no ta no ma atala tikla ni no ma atala tikla ni me minute mi le no me minute mi le no the season ni tebra now surrender those wicked men of Gibeah no Gibeah so that we may put them to death and purge the evil from Israel. But the Benjamin would not listen to their fellow Israelite ဖန်နေ Benjamin နဲ့တဒုကနာမှာနော်အဝတရာ fellow Israelite နဲ့တဒုကနာမှာခုနေတမသာမနာဖိနေနော်ပကတက်တမလာတလက်တကီတိတဖာဥထောပဲခုကြတော့နေဖိနေတစီတဲ့နေတေဝရဒီလောနော်စီတဲ့နေနော်ဖိနေတေဝရလကကနေဤဟီလောပကညောပွာဘာလာယရာလာဖိုလာအိုလကီဘာရာနော်ကီဘာဟာဒီတုပကမာသီအောဒေါ်သူကွေတာအစ္စရေလနေကီနော်သူကွေတာအစ္စရေလမနော်နော်ပကတက်တမလာတမသာတိတဖာဖိနေနော်Israel နော်သူကတာ Israel နဲ့ကဘာသာတော့ပွာဘီယာမီဖို့တကနာပါနော်အဒေါ်ပူဝဲပွာ Israel ဖို့အကလူပါပွာဘီယာမီဖို့နဲ့အတကနာပါနော်တကနာဝဲပါလက်တနခုတော့ပကလက်ကွာဖိနေတမသာနဲ့မနစ်တမီလဲနော်မနစ်တမီလဲနော်တော့ဖိတော့ပကလက်ကွာလာတစီသနေနော်နော်ဖနေတော့ပကတက်တမှာလက်တစီလွနေနော်From their town, they came together at Gibeah to fight against the Israelites. No, Penny Israelites, Penny of Pugten, what they had it thought of, what they do that of Isaac home, no, Pugten, my dinner. No, paid up a Glequa paid the Sepo, not to see any terror, no. No, to see me, don't be a me, Opo, wait, the papu, Kiba did to do akadu do pa Israel polo no is pa do ne oporo po no oporo po akadu da no kadu do pa Israel po panima no do pen ne see ne te ba as when the Benjamin mobilized 26,000 strong men from their town in addition to 700 chosen men from those living in Gibeah panis no aware the pan kadu da yada noတေဝရတာလမှုတနေနေပွာပိယာမိဖိုလဝေတဖအပူနေနော်အိုခိကလာခူထိုလာနော်အဘောထောနာလောလဲနေအမေညာပွာကီဘာဖိုလတာဂီအော်လပွာလအဘတာခူထောနွေကလာလောဖနေနော်နွေကလာယောပနေစိခုနေ amount of this order there were 700 chosen men who were left 100 each of whom was silent as storm at the hills and not missing. Now, Panera Pagata Mala, the lot to Lokawa, Mano, Pagata Madina Mano, the lot to Lokawa, Pain is singing. No Israel Pacanyo Kele, no be a me a mania, ne, not Tari or Palui Galo, will Ligalola, no Pagadama. La about nalo, away thick colony, me poatu pull or Ligalo, no. Awani kwe pa nyoklo ne la okipolo awani kama ho no leta no kora pakle kwa to se polo no si kone the Israelites went out to now Bethan and inquire of God they said who of us go first to fight against the Benjamin no panero terra la pa isa pukalagus no panagaseta le tho su no bithila do tikwa yuara siweda mimata laปกลากเลทอโซดิตุเนาะปกติมาดิตุอกดูตาดอปะบิยามิโพนี่เลดอยอสิวดายูดาโอเลอเมญาลอยูดาเนโอเวดาเลอเมญามเนาะบันเนยูดาเนกเลดูดาปกติมาดินเนโลเนาะยูดากเลดูดาเนาะ The next morning the Israelites got up and pitched camp near Gibeah พันนี่เราปกติเราดอลูกขอตะนี่นี่ปกติมาเนาะดอลมุกวันนี้ปอิสราพุกเกษตรดอตุเดทอดากิบานี่ลอเนาะดอคิสิเนเตวดาดิเล The man of Israel went out to fight the Benjamin and took up battles position against them at Gibeah พันนี่เราปกติมาแล้วเนาะဖိနေနော်ပကတက်တမလာဒေါ်လမှုကနေပိုက်စာပုကစက်တော့နော်သူတဲ့ထော်တာကိပါလဲနေနော်နော်ဣစရေလပါကညောဟာထော်ဒီသူအကဒူတာတော့ဘီယာမီတော့ဣစရေလပါကညောကတဲ့ကတော့အတာဒီသူအကဒူတာတော့ဖဲကိပါနေနော်ဖဲနေကတူတာတော့ဖဲနေကဒူဝဲနော်ဖဲနေကိပါပူမနော်ကိဗျာပူမနော် The Benjamin came out of Gibeah and kept down 22,000 Israelites on the battlefield နော် that day ဖန်နေတော့ပိတ်တဲ့မှုတနေဝဲနေမှာနော်ခစ်စစ်တန်နေနော်ပွာပိယမိဖိုဟက်ထော်လကီဘာတော့လမ်းမှုတနေနေကလောလောကွေပွာဣစရာဖိုခီကလာခီထိုးစူအခုလောပနော်ခီကလာတော့ခီထိုးညမှာနော်အဝဲတဲ့ကလောကွေတနေဟောတော့နော် but the man of Israel not encouraged one another and again took up their position where they has not stationed themselves the first day ဖန်နေတော့မကအစိုးကတနီလက်တမာတာတိဖတ်မနော်ပွားကမှုနေပွာဣစရာဖိုဒုစုတော်လိုအသာဒေါကတေကတော်အသာကတေကတော်အတဒုဖဲအလောတပူခေါ်လအကတေကတော်တလမူအခေါ်ချီတနီနေလောနော်ကတေကတော်ဝဲမနော်တော့ဖိနေပကလေကွာလခိစစ်တနီကျေပါပေါ်လမနိတမီနေနော်နော်တော့ဖတ်နေတော့ the Israelites went up and wept before the Lord until evening and they inquired of the Lord they said shall we go up again to battle against the Benjamin our brother the Lord answered go up again then နော်ပကတိမကဆာယဟီလတာကွတရလဲလဲတော့မာနေအောင်မနော်တော့ဖတ်နေတော့ပကတိမှာနော်လဲထောတာနော်ခရစ်တော်နေနော်တော့ပိစရာဖိုးလဲထောတော့အမေတီလော်လဲရွာမေညာဒူးမူဟာလောတော့တိကွာရွာရစီဝဒနော်ရေကလေထောဒူကဝတာတော့ရတော့ဘွဲ့ပြီးအမီနေစစ်ကွာတော့ရွာစီဝဒလဲထောထောတာအော်ကီနော်လဲထောထောတာအောင်နော်အဝဲနေတာကိနေခေါပလူလောနော်ခေါပလူလောပလူဝီဖိုးအမားတကအခိုးလောနော်ပိတ်တာအသိမားတကအခိုးလောလက်တနခိုးကြတော့နေပိတ်တဲ့မှာပကမာရညညောကဖိုးဝီလောမနဲ့နော်ဘာသာနာကီလက်ခိဝရတော့တတိလောခွေတရပါခွေတတော့အဝဲမှာဝဲတင်နေမနော် Then the Israelites draw near to Benjamin the second day နော်ပိတ်တဲ့မှာနေနော်ခိနေတနီနေပိစရာဖို့သူဘအသာထောဒါဘီယာမီဖိုလောနော်သူဘတာထောဒါဘီယာမီဖိုနော်This time when the Benjamin came out from Gibeah to oppose them, they cut down another 18,000 Israelites of all them. I mean with sword, no panic picture mala. No kissy tevada, no kidney, but be a me poo ha taught toda or la kiba apu, do claw log we, but isla poo. တကလာခေါ်ကထိုးဆူဟခုလောအဝဲတဲ့နေဘောထောနာခဲလေလောနော်ပကတဲ့နမလာအဝဲတဲ့နေဘောထောနာခဲလေလောနော်တော့ဖဲတော့ပကလေကွာလေနော်ခစ်စခုနေတေဘပါလမနေမဲ့တမ် the Israelite all the people went out to Bethel and they sat weeping before the Lord နော်ပကနာလေထော့တယ်ဘလောတနေ့ပါခီဘလောနော်တနေ့ပါဖဲနော် before the Lord Now they fasted that day until evening and presented burnt offering and fellowship offering to the Lord. Now, pane picture ma. Now, ludara su kasaywa o mano, but the ludara su kasaywa pane mano. Pagete or dinilo. Pane tevra la. Now, kisikune Israel la puke la letter su. Now, be the lad or a metilo or sino where. Now, sino se penny. Now. တော့ဒူတာအော်တာအော်လမှုတနီနေဒီလမှုဟာတော့လူတာနော်ဘယ်နဲ့လူတာလူမြဦးတော့တလူမခုမဖိုလရွာမညာတော့လူတာလူမြတော့တလူမခုမဖိုလကဆရွာမညာဝဲတဲ့မှာဝဲမနော်ဖဲတော့ပကလေကွာလေခစ္စနူနေတေရတာလေ and the Israelites inquires of the Lord in those days the act of the covenant of God was there နော်ဖဲနေပကတဲ့မှာလားနော်Kisi not really tevara isila po tikwa yua agidi tala mutini no yuata olo at the lap opening no kisi kwane tevara dile no kisi kwane with no Phinehas son of Elijah no the son of Aaron no ministering before it they are shall we go up again to battle with Benjamin our brother or not? The Lord responded, Go, for tomorrow I will give them into your hand. Now, Pagama, no matter come see, no, the Yakilo, Nathula, aware, Pagama yellow, now aware the Nathu Subu, Pagatema dinner, no. Let us put our penny, Pagatema, no, Kissy quality dollar mutiny, pani, saw Haro Pukwa, saw Allah. Asa pukwa so pinaka settle amenya do siwada yekale talk do ditu yekadu tu do yidopu e biamini no yeka uhu no yeka uhu le do yua siwada le torki agedi kewo kwani yeke hilo kwi ole ne supu lo kewo kwani kilo kwi ole ne supu mo no le da no koda do awani meta tami sikolo tamata sikolo no kisi kwi ni Tamata Lamuniti Mile, Penny, Pegate Mala Pakla Pakwa, Kissy Queen, David Adile. The Israelites sent and burst around Jibra, no Penny of Pagatan Mala, Paisla Pony, no Penapa Penny, Paisla Papa Kutu, Ta Watre Kiba, Alo, no Kiba, no Penny of Pagatan Mala, Thursday, David Adile. They went out against the Benjamin on the Thursday and took up position against Jibra, and as they had done before, no, Penny up again, Mala, away lewe, no, where they lewe, no, Thursday, no, lewe, dot, Thanitini, but Isla pull le toda be a me, pull, dock a ticket to a toda, Kiba, did the blood to Nilo, no. Thus it turned that the Benjamin came out to meet them and were drawn away from the city. They began to inflict constitute on the Israelites as before, so that about 30 men fell on an open fields and on the roads, not the one leading to Bethel and another Jibra, another to Jibra. Jibia, no? Penny Batinia Sicolita Mata, no? Penny did up Wabia me poo hair taught the girl, Pagomudo, Bata Tukui Ola, Wipudo, Clockwi, Thor, Pagomudo, Mathi Pole Isila Akla, Thursday Kaka, did the blow ho, no, did the blow Athula, Clemutapa, Peck, Claire, the bull, Letosu, Bithila, the away the bosu, Kiba, Le Taplo Punilong. Robert Thessikini Tebra de la why the Benjamin were 7, we are defeating them as before. The Israelites were saying, let's retreat and draw them away from the city to the road. No, away they could take to a clear garbo, no, paint it, no. No, Bobby, I mean, pussy weather, clock will be a thala, Pamania, D. Le Cotti to Nelly, Mime pa Israpo, Siwada, Hitaku, dot to talk, qui or le whipu, su clemu, the paniki, no, to talk or clemu the paniki. Now, when it thought the all the men of Israel moved from their place and took up position at the Bar Tama, and the Israelites ambushed chain, charging off or it, now placed on the west of Jibria. Penny low west sit down a luminur capana, east west luminur capani. Penny with the Israel Pakan your Kelly settler, a lot of a ticket to a pair, no bala tama, no tamado, Israel apa kukutu tani, hetola a law, le kiba a plop punilo, no. No penny or 30 luni, teva po minute them, not 10,000 of Israelites, no. Finest man made and the frontier attack on Jibra. Now fighting was so heavy, near disaster was now. Panera Patinya let us see Luni Tevra dile, Dopa head toda Kibara pa Bata Kuto or Tekalala pa Isla Pukalakla, Lord Dota do ne Komalo, no. Do the thing yamala ta ubudo over, the thing yamala ta ubudo, no? တော့ဘိတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလဲနော်သက်စီရနေတေဝဒဒီလဲနော် the Lord defeated Benjamin before Israel and on that day Israelites struck down နော်ဖက်နေ225,100 Benjamin all army with Saul နော်ပကတဲ့မှာဖက်နေသက်စီရနေတေရာတော့ your clock ကိုပြီးရမိလဲ Israel အမညာတော့ပွာ Israel ဖို့မဟာဝကိုပွာခိကလိုက်ရကထိုးနော်တကရလက်ပြရမိအဖို့ကလာလက်မှုတနေနော်အဝဲနေမေဘောထောနော်နာခဲလေနော်ပါဘောထောနာပါပကတဲ့မှာလဲပါဖော့စုကိုဝဲခဲလေမနော်ပကတဲ့မှာ then the Benjamin saw that they were beaten now the man of Israel has given way before Benjamin because they realized on their abuse they has sent near Gibeah ဖန်နေတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလဲသက်စီခုနေတဲရလာဘီယာတော့ပဘီယာမိဖိုတိဘဝဲလဲတဘတ်တကလောကွေအော်လောအဂိဒီပဣစရာဖိုဟိပွာဘီယာမိဖိုအလောလောအဂိဒီတနေအသာလပခုခုတုတလဲအပါလဲကိဘာအခလောနော်တော့ဘယ်တော့သက်စီနွိနေတေရ the man who has been in the abuse maids and sending ducks နော် into Gibeah spread out and put the whole city now to the shore ဖန်နေပကတဲ့မှာ whole city to the shore နော်သက်စင်ဝင်တေဝရတွေလဲတော့ပခုခုတုတမခက်ခေတော့ခေတဖို့စုကိပါယာတော့ပခုခုတုတတဖတလာထောအတာတော့ clock ဝေတော့ဝိညာလနာနေတော့ with thick clock ဝေတော့ဝိညာလတာမနော်တော့ပကတဲ့မှာဖန်နေနော်တော့ဘယ်နေတော့သက်စကောနေတဲ့ the man of Israel has arranged with them abuse that they should send up a great cloud or smoke from the city ဖန်နေပကတဲ့မှာလားတော့တပ်နော်လဥစစ်ပါဝဲဥစစ်ပါဝဲလေ Israel အပကညောပခုခုတုတအဘစနေမေလအကဒူထောမေဥလာတော့မေဥခုလဝေဘူးလောမေဥလာတော့မေဥခုလဝေဘူးမနော် and then the man of Israel would train in the battle that Benjamin has begun to influence casualty on the man of Israel about 30 and they said we are defeating them as in the first battle နော်ဖနေတင်ညာဝလဖိနေတမတာဒေါ်တူပဣစလာဖိုးနော်ခိလတတေတအပူနေတော့ဘီယာမီကလော့ကွေသောတော့မာတီပတ်သစီခခလာပဣစလာဖိုးကလနေလောအဂိဒီစီဝရမေမဘတာကလော့ကွေအလပမညာဒီလတတေတအခေါတိတဘလတုန်နေလောနော်အဝဲသေးတကူအနေဝဲသေးသိညာပါနော်တော့လူစီနေ bus when the columns of smoke began to rise from the city the Benjamin turned and saw the smoke of the whole city going up into the sky into sky ဖန်နေတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းလူစီနေတယ်ဗျာမေဒူးမေဥလာမေဒူးမေဥလာထော့တော့မေဥခုတထုဥလာဝေပူတော့ပါဘီယာမီဖိုကွာတာဆူအလော့ကီတော့ကွာဝေအမေဥလာထော့ဆူမှုခုလောတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းလူစီတဲ့နေတယ်ဗျာမနေthen the man of Israel turned on them and the man of Benjamin were terrified because they realized that disaster has come upon them when a disaster has come upon them ဖန်နေပတိညာလာတမသာလာဝတိကောမနော်တကွာတခေစီကော dot to Israel အပွားကညောခကဒါကီအသာတော့ဘီယာမီအပွားကညောပါအသာကမလောအဂိဒီတိဘဝဲလတာတော်ဟေဘအော်လောနော်တိဘဝဲလတာတော်နေဟေဘအော်မနော်ဖန်နေပတိညာစစ်ကောဖန်နေမနော်တော့ဖန်နေလူစီကွင်းနေတေဘဒီလဲ so they fled before the Israelites in the direction of the desert but they could not escape the battles and the man of Israel who came out of the town kept them down there ဖန်နေပတိညာစစ်ကောလောတော့ခအတလည်းအစ္စရာအမညာစူပါမကနအကလေလောဘာသာတော့တတ်တူခလနီအောပကတဲ့မှာတတ်တူနေခလနီအောဖနေမနော်ခလနီအောလည်းအဟက်ထော်လဝိဒဖာပူနေမဟာဝကွေအောလည်းတာဘ tabba senilo no tabba sen tamahago ko penny mono no patinya sikol tamata ti pa no penny thasi penny lucy tane pwala minute mi le pekle kwa penny to se pho no lucy tane no they pekle mala no they surrounded the Benjamin no chased them and easily no pekle ma overran them in the vicinity of Gibeas on the east. Pane patinya se kolata mata. La no Lucy no Lucy tane teba. Palatai or tagwo by biami pu watery do lu or do yoti or nyogada tako do kiba a sum to the colo panino awe mara no. Do pay do bagle quala Lucy no Lucy Lune 80,000 bitumen no bitumen fill all of them no Venus no fighter pane patinya sikola tamata Lucy Lune no pa biami po clan in Loki where takala kwagtulo wete me patu pukelelo sorry no wete me patu pukelelo no no Lucy and Tiba Padile as they turn and flees towards the disaster to the rock of no Ramon. No, the Israelites cut down 5,000 men along the roads. No, they keep pressing after the Benjamin as far as no Gidon and strike down 2,000 more. And a Gidon strike them 2,000 more. No. Penny patinya sikola Lucy and Tera do khata do his super mugna sularimo no aolo do na turtonilla or payeg to le claim to papu do lu the pa or sukido do mati pa kigla le clanelo kigla no do pagdata mala penny paglequala Lucy kune on this day 25,000 Benjamin Sorman fell all of them no villains fighter pani pagdata mala no 25,000 patinya sikolata mata pani no Lucy kune do kaye pala bia mi aklala aboton narpala alohi le mutini ne me pwa kigla yegtulo do wethe me pwa thu pukele no pwa thu pukele ne lohi we mo no paitete ma din mo no do lui no pani do paitete mala no but 600 men turn and flees into desert to the Roman. No, penny there. No, where they stay 4 months. Penny, aware qua over to Nola, aware Hibam. No, Penny, Terra Lucy Nune, do Pacano, Huya Kata, or his supermugna, Sularimo, oh, do Uwella Larimo, Luilalo, no penny, no, Luila. The men of Israel went back to Benjamin and put all the town to the sword, including the animals and everything else they found. All the town they came across, they set on fire. Panina Pagana Makalekasimo. Awa Mahago, Israel Paganyo, Hado Ata Subia Mipo Odo clock we order, Na Canado, no, we a Paganyo, Sabuko po de Gayeta la Atine or Kelene. Sutok we all me usikolo, sutok we all me uke le casino no. I want a pathinya sicolo tamata, the pacalero. Okay, Wayne in Balimon, or Tanari Blady Hudaroni, no. I want to start right now. Okay, I come back. Next chapter is the no. We know about the Benjamin story. Okay, later right now they defeated only. Later then we had to look at around the last chapter. No? I will see you next time. God bless you, my friend and my brother and sister. No? Will God will with you all the time. No? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.